Hello traders, the title of the video is how to count Elliott waves using double bottom chart patterns like a pro. Alright, so have you ever used the double bottom chart pattern to quickly count Elliott waves? Alright. So without too much blah 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 from my side, alright, and to keep the video short, and most importantly, to please, alright, some of our subscribers, yes, alright, I have done my homework and I have on my chart a double bottom chart pattern. So this is not equal low. You can see that it's not a equal low double bottom. We have a low and a higher low, but it is a double bottom chart pattern here. And I have again another double bottom chart pattern on my chart, alright? To use double bottom chart patterns to improve or to facilitate the Elliott wave counts, alright? We need to understand that after a double bottom chart pattern, if the price goes above the nut, this is what I call the nut or the neckline of the double bottom chart pattern, that price action that breaks above the nut or the neckline is usually, not always, not guaranteed, it's usually an impulse wave. That's it. That will help your wave count. All right, good. So because when we are counting Elliott wave, we want to identify, as I told traders, in order to simplify the Elliott wave count, we cut it down to two things. We are looking for impulse wave and we are looking for corrective waves. All right, that's it. So using the double bottom chart pattern, very often, not all the time, the price action that will come from the second low breaking the neckline is usually an impulse wave. So let's start now. So I will call this one here. So I'm starting very fast. I say probably this is an impulse wave. This is a preliminary wave count. So be very, very gentle with me. All right. So hold on, please. All right. So I draw the line for now. I will remove it later. So we have another double bottom here. I will say probably this move here, somewhere up there is an impulse wave. So I have found so far two impulse wave, but it's not finished yet. Okay, another thing that we can see here, because we have the price, it went up first and then come down all the way here, and we have a bit of extension here. What is this? Do you know this? You should. This is an irregular first wave. So irregular first wave usually is extended, all right, subdivided into 5 manner wave, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. My second wave is that double bottom chart pattern. So the Elliott wave count is one step at a time. So before you start bashing me all over the place, be patient. So it's a preliminary wave count. So though we are saying probably this is the third Elliott wave, okay, let's probably, this is probably an impulse wave, and this is also probably an impulse wave. We need to do more work on those impulse waves. Look carefully at the structure of this one. This is 1 2 3 4. The 4 is one candlestick bar here, and 5. So it got a bit of structure of an impulse wave. Okay, is it the third wave? Now, I don't want the video to be too long. It's not the third wave itself. All right, so I'll leave it to you. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is Mercado. Oh, that's a difficult. Let me breathe in before I say it again. Mercado Libre Incorporated. Is that the correct pronunciation? All right. The epic is MELI, Mike Echo Lima India. This is an American stock that belongs to the Nasdaq 100. So check it out, MELI. All right. Belonging to the consumer cyclical sector. So this is not the third wave. All right. So in fact, I will call this one first manner wave of the third wave. So check it out, okay, and compare your wave count with my wave count. So I will call this one now the first mono wave of the third wave. All right. Call this one the second mono wave. So another double bottom chart pattern is again a correct wave. I'll call that the second mono wave of my supposed to be the third wave. We will see whether everything is adding up correctly or we are just fooling ourselves or not. All right. So that second Elliott wave has ended here. Careful, careful. Because I've done my homework, that's why I'm going a little bit faster now. Are you happy, my friend? The second. Okay, now, so you see now? So, okay, it's okay so far. First mono wave, second mono, no Elliott wave violation so far. So look at this move that we are calling probably an impulse wave. So it has also subdivided into 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. You may say 5, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are saying, all right, George, this one got a tail. It almost come to the beginning of this first mono wave here. All right? So it's down to me now to accept it. So if I accept it, I'll put a question mark on it because it got a tail that come to the beginning of the first wave. But I also know that other traders may accept it. So let's go with it for now. But let's put a question mark on it that first mono wave, second mono wave, third mono wave, fourth mono wave. I tend to call this one here. You may disagree with me, but we are still friends. I tend to say that probably the third Elliott wave has ended here. We will see whether it's correct or not. All right? That will be in black, isn't it? We are doing a 2 wave count now, as you can see, one in red, one in black. First mono wave, second mono wave of the third wave, second mono wave of the third wave, third mono wave of the third wave. And here it comes, our tiny, shallow, fourth mono wave of the third wave. Is it correct? We will see. So that's how you go. You just go, you just flow with it first. You do your first wave count. That's not the definitive, all right? Wave count. We will have to do more homework and see whether everything is working beautifully or not. That candlestick bar here, I'm calling it the low of that as the fourth mono wave of our real third wave. Is it? We will find out soon. All right. So if you are new to Elliott wave, this is how people count Elliott wave. So when somebody saying to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they have done a lot of work before coming to that conclusion. So fifth mono wave of the third wave. So now in red, I'm calling this move the third wave in red. So first mono wave, irregular wave in red, second mono wave in red, third mono wave in red, ending here. We are now at the end of the third wave. It can be extended more. Even the fifth mono wave of the third wave can be extended. But with the information that we have today, that's all we can say at this point in time. If the price continues to go up, we have to come back to our Elliott wave count and review and adjust accordingly, all right? So we can make a better Elliott wave forecast, all right? So it's the Elliott wave count. That's what I meant by it's dynamic. It's one step at a time, following the price action. All right, so understand that my third wave in red has been subdivided into 5 mono waves that I have colored in black. First mono wave, second mono wave, third mono wave, subdivided also into 5 mono waves. That's the third mono wave itself, which is also subdivided into 5 mono waves. Tiny fourth mono wave and the fifth mono wave of the third wave itself. We are now in the fourth wave. Is the fourth wave finished yet? Talking about the fourth wave in red. Is it finished yet? Do we have more to come? That is the question. So it's good to ask those questions when you are counting Elliott wave. As you can see, the double bottom chart patterns has been useful to us. So now you understand, before I was saying when we are dealing with complex waves, sometimes it's better to cover the double bottom chart pattern, and sometimes it will be very useful to you to count wave also. And the market stable data that we are using here is that if we see a double bottom chart pattern and the price start going up from there, if the price breaks above the neckline of that double bottom chart pattern, that's price action. Very often is an impulse wave, not always. This is very important to understand. So that's why I was saying to you, probably this move up is an impulse wave. As you can see, it's an impulse wave. All right. Here they are. So you may say, George, did those double bottom chart pattern, okay, facilitate this wave count? Yes. You may notice that if you were here, you say first wave, probably you say this one first wave, you will say second wave, and then you'll be calling this one third wave, and then you say fourth wave, and then you will say call this one fifth wave. Then you'll notice quickly that while you were calling third wave here is the shorter impulse wave. Then you say this is an Elliott wave violation. And then you go back again and look at it again, and probably you'll be saying first wave, and you may also, other trader may also call all this. Are you one of those traders? So probably, yeah, this is what we are talking about. So when we are counting Elliott wave, we try to go into the mind of other traders. So another trader may say, George, well, I disagree with you big time. And I say, all right, that's my wave count. I stick to mine. Stick to yours, please. All right. So you say, George, in fact, all the mumbo jumbo, blah, blah, blah that you are talking about, this is the first wave in red, and this is the second wave in red, which is a triangle. We are now in the third wave here. But now, what is the difference between what I have labels and this one? No big difference. That person, the only difference is that that person is saying to me, all right, that my second wave is ending here instead of here. All right. He is saying also that this is the third wave. I'm saying exactly the same thing. All right, so no big difference. A bit of disagreement, talking about where the second red wave has ended. All right, so no big difference. So another time I say this is the second wave, it's the third wave. We will all be making the same decision. So probably that trader also will be calling this one a fourth wave. Did those double bottom chart pattern, okay, help or facilitate our Elliott wave count? Let us know in the comment section. As I told you before, I read every comment, all right? And I record videos because of what traders are saying in the comment section. So if you want us to talk about one particular subject, talk about it in the comment section. I read them, and I note. I have a book here. Can you hear? Can you hear? All right. I note things down. All right. And in due course, like you see now, okay, I record a video about WSY pattern because a trader a few months ago, 3 or 4 months ago, was asking me, George, please talk about WSY pattern. Well, now you see we are talking about it. So now it will be completely naive from our side because we are now maturing as a fully fledged Elliott wave trader to stop on a monthly chart alone with this wave count. Yes or no? What do we need to do? We need to go to the higher degree. In fact, I need to remind traders that I'm writing, okay, a web page about the higher degree wave count. So I will be posting that page within a month, okay, at 24elliottwave.com, talking about the higher degree Elliott wave count. Okay. So now, so we're all happy now. Okay, if you disagree, let us know in the comment section, all right? And we take it from there, all right? Don't be afraid. So now let's go to the higher degree yearly chart and see whether what we are talking about is making sense, because the Elliott wave count is linked. So the lower degree wave count is linked to a higher degree wave count. All right? So the monthly chart wave count is linked to the yearly chart wave count. So if we stop on the monthly chart alone, though the wave count may make sense on the monthly chart, if you do not check the monthly chart, you will be surprised. That thing can be a little bit funny. So here we are now on the yearly chart. How does it look to you? It looks like the price just went up, boom, 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 up. We see a bit of pullback here, a pullback here, and a pullback here. All right. Even on the yearly chart, you may say first wave, second wave, or you may say first wave all the way up here, and second wave up here. So what I was saying to you is just a little bit of difference between myself and that trader. You remember, I was saying my second wave is here, red one, and another trader may say it's a triangle ending here. That's the only difference. And now on the yearly chart, someone may say this is the first wave, this is the second wave. Now we are now in the third wave. And traders that are following us at 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel know that on the yearly chart, when we call anything third wave with a long shadow like this, it's alerting us that probably the fourth wave is already underway. So if you are not a subscriber of 24 Elliott Wave, you'll be saying that, George, this is the third wave, and we will be telling you that probably, okay, go to the monthly chart, probably the fourth wave is already underway. So far, looking on the yearly chart, I'm very, very satisfied with my wave count. Again, understand that with all the information that I have today, that's all I can say. The price may go out and do all kind of things. If that is the case, well, I will not say, George, yes, I know everything about your wave. I'm not going to change anything. I will change it and follow the price accordingly. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. All right. So do not use this tutorial as a trading signal. All right. So, for instance, you may say, George, I disagree with your wave count. I disagree with the wave count of the other trader that you were talking about. In that case, what do you need to do? If the Elliott wave count does not make sense to you, what do you need to do? You just pay attention to the price action, yes or no? You remember that? Okay, so we may say a triangle was in place right here. A bit expanded triangle, all right? So you may say, George, I do not see any triangle here. What is the triangle? Well, if you extend those lines into the future, you may see that probably they have crossed somewhere here. Roughly, if you accept that, we have a triangle. Now, I'm changing my voice to make you laugh a bit, all right? So here it is. So you may say, all right, so first move up, then we have a triangle, now the price going up. So in that case, if you want to switch to the price action, you may see that professional will measure the width, the height of this triangle, all right? And as the price breaks above the triangle, do you like my voice now? Make it a bit funny for you. They will project it up to set a target above the triangle at a breakout point. So there is a target there. Traders that are following us at 2-4 stock trade, I know how to do all this. So there is a target there. And there is a midpoint target. I'm going to use the divide that measuring stick into two. If you don't know what we are doing here, it means that you need to subscribe to Day Pro Trader and 2-4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. So midpoint target, we project it up, and that's where the price stopping now. The price is in the midpoint target above the first ultimate target. So this is an ultimate target here. All right. To make you laugh a bit, all right? Cheer up, my friend. Traders are too serious. Traders don't smile. They don't talk to their children. They don't talk to their wife. What's wrong with you guys? Smile. Life is not all about the cream in the market, yes or no? So that's the midpoint target there, all right? So now we will be saying, okay, switching to the mode of an Elliott wave trader, we will say we are expecting the fifth wave of a higher degree. That fifth wave can be extended, all right? So usually we have equality between the first, all right, and the fifth wave using the magnitude or the length of the first wave. So another trader may say your fifth wave probably will end somewhere there, a little bit above. George, probably your fifth wave is already done. What are you talking about? There won't be any more fifth wave. Well, all right. We have a flow with the price, do not violate the market pattern. All right. How long have I been talking to you now? We want to keep it. Oh, right. We are 20 minutes. So we say average length of our video will be 20 minutes. Let's wrap it up. Okay. So this will conclude our discussion today. How to count Elliott wave using a double bottom chart pattern like a pro. All right. So let me know what you think. All right. If you like video, if this video has been personally useful to you, all right, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, Joe, you have disappointed me one more time, mark it down. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on Reddit. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to count Elliott waves using double bottom chart pattern like a pro. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.